Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I have two more Traveler's Notebook insert slash standalone journals. They are 8.5 by 4.5. They have a machine sewn binding with some linen wrap. I've got organza ribbon closure. There's about 40 pages plus envelopes and pockets and tags, etc. So in the front here we have a large envelope with some writing paper tucked in. We've got an envelope here for stashing more items, and then it has this tab closure. Then we have the designer paper with the lace trim. We've got a banner tuck here with Old Santa. I've got some short paper with for making lists. I thought that would be fun. We've got Angels We Have Heard on High. I'm not sure. It might be the same song on the other side. Okay, so I've got a Santa tucked in here, and he is attached to a coin envelope that has Believe here. There is a booklet inside, and that is just attached over the page like so. It can be moved wherever you want, and then Santa is tucked under there as well. And Santa could easily be tucked on the other side. Excuse me. We have the short page for list. I have a graph page that flips out for extra writing space. There's coffee dyed paper. Here's another music page from the collection. The collection is by Artymaze, and it's called Old Time Christmas. The coffee dye is by Leanna Scrap. I have a belly band here with a Christmas tree, and another list page, a doily page. I have a tag and a pocket here, and we have the center page. You can see where it's been machine sewn, so it does lay flat. There's plenty of room to add to this book. I've got another tag and pocket there, back of the doily, list paper. Here's a horizontal belly band. Here's a coffee dyed page that's flip out. Over the page, flip, because this flips up and you can write inside here. I've used some circles from the kit. There's some lace back there. That just attaches over the page with paper clip. Can be easily moved wherever you'd like. Another list page. Here's another envelope. This envelope has a journal card inside. It matches the center of our book. Let's see if I can get that all the way back in there. And then that just goes over the page like that. Paper clip on. Then we have another list page. Here's another tag with a beautiful little girl. A flip-up corner pocket. And then in the back we have a large pocket tag from the collection. I've added a large tag to the back. Got some more writing paper here inside this pocket, and then we've got a smaller tag for writing here. And then the back of the book has the linen trim, and we will close it with the organza ribbon. Now I do have two of these available, so you can find these in my Etsy store. Everything will be in the description box, all the information you need to get to get in touch with me and to find these in my shop. So I thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.